Hey y'all, come on in. We are in the city of Varenna, Italy, on Lake Como, with the beautiful Swiss Alps behind us. Let's go see what kind of restaurant we can find here to eat at. We are at the Albergo del Sole Pizzaria and Ristorante. So I ordered the salad with green beans, corn, mozzarella, shrimp, and tomatoes. For the dressing, we have packets of olive oil and balsamic vinegar. The salad is wonderful. I get really nervous about not getting enough vegetables when we're traveling, and especially in Italy because there's so much pasta and rich food everywhere. So this will balance out my day because tonight we're having a very fancy dinner. I'm going to try a bite of my daughter's lasagna. That's really good.